Hello students, how are you all? So today all of you welcome in this video. So today we are going to discuss the unit test 1 revision and for revision of chapter 1 and 2. So this video is for class 8th. So let's start our chapter. So here first of all I would like to discuss your syllabus of UT1. So syllabus of UT1, there are 4 chapters. So chapter number 1, that is rational number, chapter 2, that is exponent, chapter 3 squares and square roots, and chapter 4 cubes and cube roots. So these 4 chapters are coming in your unit test 1. Now after this, see the pattern of paper, that what kind of paper you are going to see in your unit test 1. So here your pattern of paper is, so first of all see maximum marks. So this paper will be consist of 50 marks. So earlier also your unit test were 50 marks, so this time also UTs are of 50 marks, and you will get total 2 hours. So total 2 hours are provided for you for this test. Now after this, see your test paper will divide into 5 parts. So first see A part. In A part you are having multiple choice question, and there are 5 multiple choice question, and each question carry 2 marks. So here total 10 marks are there for your multiple choice question. Now in B part you are having true false. So there are 5 true false, and each question carry 1 mark. So there are 5 true false, and each question carry 1 marks. After this C part, so here match the following. So in match the following you are having 5 questions or 5 match the following. Each question consists of 1 mark. So total 5 marks are of match the following. And in D part you are having fill in the blanks. So these fill in the blanks, total 5 fill in the blanks are there, and each question carry 2 marks. So therefore 10 marks are there for fill ups. Now after this, see one word answer. So in this you are having one word answer, and there are 5 one word questions are there, and each question carry 4 marks. So it will consist of 20 marks. So here in A part, that is multiple choice question, you have to take the correct answer. There will be 4 options. In true false you are having 2 options for true or false, so you have to take on correct answer. So after this, the match the following. In match the following you will get 2 options, and in those 2 options you have to take mark on correct answer. In fill in the blanks also you are having 2 options in each question, so you have to take on correct answer. But in one word answer you have to write correct answer in space provided. So first of all you have to solve the problem, and after solving the problem you have to write the correct answer in the space provided. So this paper will be online, and total number of questions will be 25, and total marks will be 50 marks. So in this way you have to attempt these questions. Total 25 questions are there, and total marks will be 50. So this paper will be online. Previously also you have attempt assignment. Similarly this paper is also online paper. Now after this I am going to start your revision for chapter 1. So here chapter 1 is rational number. So first of all we are starting with the definition of rational number. So what is rational number? The number which can be represented in the form of a upon b. So the number which can converted or represented in the form of a upon b, where a and b are integers and a is not equal to 0. For example, 1 upon 2, 4 upon 5, 8 upon 9, 0, minus 15 upon 14, etc. So integers are also negative, so we can take negative numbers also. So here minus 15 upon 14 is also a type of rational number. Here 0 is also a rational number, because 0 can be written as 0 upon 1. So this is in the form of 0 upon 1 or a upon b. So here we can see that. Okay, so here see one thing. Here when we write a upon b, so here we can say that here b is not equal to 0. Okay, so here a can be 0 but b is not equal to 0. So here in this b will not be equal to 0. So here this is the rational number. Now after see operations on rational number. So here rational number we have to do these four things in the rational number, that is addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Now after this see question number 1. In this question number 1, express minus 3 upon 5 as a rational number with denominator 20. So here solution minus 3 upon 5. So when we convert this denominator as 20, so we have to multiply this 5 with 4. So we will multiply both the number, that is minus 3 and 5 by 4. So minus 3 into 4 and 5 into 4, so it will become 12 minus 12 upon 20. So here answer will be minus 12 upon 20. Now after this see question number 2. In question number 2, express each of the following rational number in standard form. So here minus 12 upon 30. So for converting into standard form, we have to see that there should be no any common factor in numerator and denominator. So we can divide it numerator and denominator by 6. So minus 12 is divided by 6 and 30 is also divided by 6. So it will become minus 2 upon 5. So here minus 2 upon 5 is answer. Now after this see question number 3. Add the following rational number. So for adding these rational number, minus 2 upon 5 and 4 upon 5, so LCM will be taken, 5 will be LCM here and we can solve it. So it will become minus 2 plus 4 upon 5, so it will be 2 upon 5. Minus 2 plus 4 will be 2, so 2 upon 5 will be answer. Now after this see question number 4. The sum of two rational number is minus 2. If one of the number is minus 14 upon 5, find the other. So here solution, let the number be x. So we can consider that the number is x. So when we add two numbers, so that is given x plus minus 14 upon 5, that is equal to minus 2. So after this when we find the value of x, so minus 14 upon 5 will come to the right side. So it will become 14 upon 5 minus 2 upon 1. So when we take LCM of 5 and 1, it will be 5. So it will become 14 minus 10. So answer will be 4 upon 5. So 4 upon 5 will be answer. In this way we can solve these kind of question which are related to rational number. Now after this see next question, question number 5. In question number 5 we have, what number should be subtracted from minus 2 upon 3 to get minus 1 upon 6? So here we can say that x should be subtracted. So here we can say that x should be subtracted. So we can write here minus 2 upon 3 minus x equals to minus 1 upon 6. So here it will be x equals to, so minus 2 upon 3 will go towards right side, so it will become 1 upon 6 minus 2 upon 3, or we can take the LCM of 6 and 3, LCM will be 6, so here it will be 1 minus 4, so minus 3 upon 6, that is equal to minus 1 upon 2, so minus 1 upon 2 will be answer. Now after this see question number 6. The product of two rational number is minus 9. If one of the number is minus 12, then find the other. It means when we multiply two numbers, then the number will be equal to minus 9, and if one number is minus 12, then we have to find that number. So we will consider that number is x. So when x is multiplied with minus 12, so it is equal to minus 9. So when we find the value of x, so it will be x equals to minus 9 divided by minus 12. So when we divide minus 9 by minus 12, answer will be 3 by 4. So 3 by 4 will be answer. So in this way we can solve this question. Now after this see question number 7. In question number 7 we have, by what number should minus 33 upon 8 be divided to get minus 11 upon 2? So here let the number be x, that means let it should be divided by x. So when we divide it by x, so it will be minus 33 upon 8 divided by x, then equal to minus 11 upon 2. So here when we find the value of x, here it will become minus 33 upon 8 into 1 upon x. When this divide sign will convert it into multiply sign, so x become 1 upon x, reciprocal will be done. So when we find value of x, so it will be x equals to minus 33 upon 8 into 2 upon minus 11. So when we solve it, answer will be 3 upon 4. So this is the answer. So in this way we can solve these kind of question. These questions are very important for you. You have to do the practice of these type of questions with fill in the blanks, true false, match the following, and one word questions also. Now after this, see chapter number 2, that is exponent. So here chapter 2 exponent. In this, laws of exponents are very important, so you have to learn these laws of exponent. So here let a upon b be any rational number and m and n be any integer. So then we have, so here a upon b power m into a upon b power n, that will be equal to a upon b power m plus n. That means when we multiply and same base are there, here a upon b, here is also base a upon b, and when powers are different, here power is m and in this power is n, so these powers will be added. So when multiply is done, power will be added, so it will be the answer. Similarly, see its second part, a upon b power m and a upon b power n, but it is divided. So when divide is there, power will be subtracted. So a upon b power m minus n. Similarly, see its third part. In third part we have a upon b m power n. So in this case m and n will be multiplied, so it will become a upon b power m upon n. So here see fourth part, a upon b into c upon d power n, that is equals to a upon b power n into c upon d power n, or we can also write it in this way, a upon b whole power n and c upon d whole power n. Now similarly, see its fifth part. Here we have a upon b power minus n. In this case we reciprocal, so a upon b will become b upon a and this power will be n. So where n is positive integer, in this way n will become positive. So when power is negative, so we can reciprocal the number, then power will become positive. Now after this, see its sixth part, a upon b whole power 0 will be equal to 1. So all these are the laws of exponent. In this way you have to learn these laws of exponent. So there are some questions on the basis of these exponent. So see the questions. Here see question number 1. So here you have to evaluate. So when you evaluate this, minus 5 power minus 3, and second is minus 3 upon 4 whole power minus 4. So see its first part, that is 5 power minus 3. So we can write it in this way, 1 upon 5 power 3. So it will be equal to 1 upon 25. So we can write it as 1 upon 25. So 1 upon 25 will be answer. Now similarly, see its second part. In second part we have minus 3 upon 4 whole power minus 4. So here we can write it, when we do reciprocal, so it will become 4 upon minus 3 and power will be 4. Now after solving it, we can write it 4 into 4 into 4 into 4 upon minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 3. So when we multiply these all 4, it will become 265. So and when we multiply all these minus 3, it will be 81. So in this way we can solve. Okay, so it will be, see this will, you can see this here, when you solve this 4 into 4 into 4, this will become, it will be 256. Okay, so you can change it, you can write here 256. Now after this it will become 256 upon 81. This will be the answer. Now after this, see question number 2. In question number 2, simplify 2 power minus 1 into 5 power minus 1 whole power minus 1 divided by 4 power minus 1. So here see first part, 2 power minus 1 into 5 power minus 1 whole power minus 1 and divided by 4 power minus 1. So here 2 power minus 1 can be written as 1 upon 2 and 5 power minus 1 can be written as 1 upon 5. Then whole power minus 1, so it is divided by this 4 power minus 1 can be written as 1 upon 4 and it will be equal to 1 upon 10 whole power minus 1 divided by 1 upon 4. So when we do reciprocal of this 1 upon 10, it will become 10 upon 1 whole power 1 and divided by 1 upon 4. So 10 upon 1 whole power 1 will be 10 divided by 1 upon 4. We can write it in this way. So 10 into 4 upon 1, 10 into 4 upon 1 will be equal to 40. So answer will be 40. So in this way you can solve these kind of questions also. So you have to revise these questions. So in exponents and rational number, try to do more and more question. So these are very important question for your unit test first. Now after this, thank you for watching this video and wish you all the best for your UT first exams. So thank you for watching the video.